Hello friends, how are you? I hope all guys are fine. How was your new year? I hope you all enjoyed and you have your new year things, targets. Maybe there may be some things which you missed last year, but no issues. We have another year now, which we can use to achieve our targets, which are not done earlier. EV10, you can see the guy is not much trained about the traffic rules. This was the wrong thing. The car should go to the chonk and from there take the U-turn. To use it safe. Yeah, trying to take a right to show you new road today so that you can enjoy new areas, explore new areas, see new style of homes, new design of homes, how people are living, what are the roadside designs, how roads are decorated. Some people like to see all the roads, but that is not practically possible. So through this initiative, we can help those people. They can see all the roads, just comfort from their home, just sitting on seat or relaxing. They can enjoy. This is phase 7 lights, Chawla lights basically. And now I will go straight. You can see these cars here. You can see the right side. Maybe the market starts. And tried to get 360 camera, but still it will take some time to get the properties. I think using 360 camera on head mount, there will be no need to move my head. Just drive with my driving requirement, focusing on my driving requirements, and but in this case, let's say something is there and I need to show in camera, so I have to move my head, rotate my head, right? It may be out of order in in respect to the driving requirements, which is not a good thing actually. No issues, keep going, and this is the Blongi road from Mohali railway station to Blongi, third, sorry. Gardening is being done on this chunk. New trees have been planted. Yeah, that is also a good idea. Like this Splendor on TVS. We can get a bike and get it modified. That is a good idea. Instead of like spending much more money, we can do like that. Hmm. Let's today take you to the new area, but today I'm a bit late to reach. So I have to see like this case point five is capturing everything, so I can keep my head straight while driving. I need to see once because traffic rule following is the main priority while on road. Is the only priority, nothing else than that. So this is back side of old Facade bus stand. There used to be a bus stand. Still buses coming there, but now that bus stand is closed. Hmm. Another thing that comes to my mind is that there is no requirement to close that. Free health resolutions. This is Sector 68, Phase 7, SU 91. 0.58. Hmm. GJ, Gujarat number and breaking the traffic rules, not a good thing. Wow, this is oddly. Hey man, why are we need to focus on lights. When light is green, only then move your vehicle. Else, stay there. Wow, which car was that? Like if I had 360 right now, I can capture it backwards also. That was a cool option. I will be adding that for sure. For sure, I will be adding that. Whenever traveling, just install it and go. This is the stadium bridge. This road is also recently upgraded. Wow, red thought and Seat tires, new alloys. See, the construction is going on. Another idea coming to my mind, like there are some passionate people who want to do something, right? But they are not. Wow, new car. Check the alloys, guys. But let's say they are not able to do that due to environment, like and assets, training. They want to do that, so for that we can make a system. They need to show up there, right? Or it can be online also. If there is anything online, all roads are being cleaned. They look nice. Today is so much cold that my shoes are getting colder and colder with the cool air. Tata Punch. Alright, guys, thanks for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it very well. Let's meet you in next vlog, maybe evening vlog. Let's see. But these days fog is that much that it's road is not even visible. So let's go now. Wow, explore the new place to park vehicle. This is nice.